Hi everyone, it's Michael here. I'm here to show off the new AEROX soldering station. I've just received it. It's just been released today, so I'm really happy to show it off to you. It's a nice little piece. It's not too big, so it's going to suit very well on your pit table at home or at races. It has an on and off switch here on the side. I've plugged it in already to power. It holds the soldering tip quite well here at the top. I'm pretty sure here you can store your solder so you don't lose it, and then in front you can set the temperature on the screen right here with this little scroll. Here's the foam that I've put a little bit of water inside to clean the tip, and there's also some brass right here in that little hole which you can also use to clean the tip. So everything is right here. It's very nice looking, not too big, and it's perfect for your soldering needs. I'll turn it on. As you can see here on the screen, you can set the temperature. I've set it already to 430, and you can go 1 degree up, 1 degree down, whatever you like. Here on the side, as you can see, I've got the AEROX helping hands. It's the AX072 part number. There come 2 helping hands in the packet. I've got only one here. Help me solder some cables right here. I use this cable to power my tire warmers with 2 2S batteries. I've done one already. I've got the AEROX solder AX073. Very nice little packet, 30 gram. It's going to last you quite a long time. And then I've got a few spare tips for a little bit of finer soldering. The station comes with a tip like that. It's quite standard size for, like motor wires, battery wires for 10 scale. It's quite a standard size tip. And then I've got a few more right here. Here is one for very fine soldering if you need to solder anything smaller or inside the speedo, and then a few more options. So whatever you need, I'm sure AEROX has, and there's quite a few different part numbers right there. I will show you how I solder. I'm not the biggest expert, but I know how to do it. I'm gonna use the helping hand to grab the battery plug. I'll tighten this there so it stays right there. I've got the temperature set already. I'll put some solder on the battery plug. And then hopefully I'm not going to burn myself holding the cable. Nice and easy. Everything is in place, everything's soldered, and it's ready to use. So a very nice new piece of equipment from AEROX, and it's at a very affordable price. A nice soldering station with the temperature meter here. It shows you everything, and basically everything you need. You have it right here, and some extra tips and solder available to buy as well. So go shop at racing-cars.com.